Cademy offers you an embeddable booking system that you can use to take your courses and plug them on any website and showcase them and take sales without redirecting customers anywhere else. Here's how it works. I'm going to show you a few examples. This is a clinical training provider, and they have courses embedded on their website, and customers can simply compare the different courses and book right from the website without having to be redirected anywhere else. You can see that it even remembers my details from a previous purchase, and I can check out more quickly. The payments all happen securely through the platform as well, so the customer never leaves the page, and it's all very, very user-friendly and very seamless. This is another example, same booking system embedded on a completely different platform, and you can see showcasing different courses here and allows the customer to compare the options, check out, pay without ever leaving the site. It's very straightforward and very powerful. Let me show you how you set this up. In the Cademy admin dashboard, in the apps section, you'll need to click on the Embeds app. This is your primary where you set up all of your embeds. Now, when you first click on this, you'll first be prompted to install the app. Similar to this, simply click install, and from that point forward, you'll land in an interface like this one. This is where you set up all your embeds in Cademy. There's a few options for you to go through. So first of all, you have to choose whether you're going to be embedding multiple courses at once in a list like this, or whether you'll be embedding a single course. Let's say I want to sell just one course, so I want to do that. I'll choose the course from the list, and I have a few options for how I want that to be sold. I can choose a card option, a seamless embed, which shows the calendar, or a button, which when clicked will show me the checkout flow, and I'll be able to proceed through. In my case, I want to showcase multiple courses and allow the customer to compare the courses and find the best option for them. And there's a few options for the layout. Default one is a grid, but you can also do rows or dates. In the dates option, if a course happens multiple times, it will be listed multiple times in the list. So that's something to keep in mind. But it's useful if the course happens in multiple days on different locations, because the customers will be able to see that in the list very easily as well. Now, the next thing to choose is whether I want to embed it seamlessly or again with a button and a pop-up. I'll choose this option, and then I can narrow down which courses are embedded by choosing courses from a specific list. In my case, I just want to embed all my courses at once, so I'll just choose that. Next, I'll be able to choose the setup instructions, and this is a way to help you set this up on your website. We are giving you specific instructions for WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. So these are the most popular content management systems out there, but you can use the general instructions if your CMS is not included here. If you need help, you can also message our support team, and we'll be happy to assist with the setup. Now, I have a test WordPress site here, and I'll walk you through how simple it is to actually set up one of these embeds. As you can see, I get step-by-step instructions, and I'll just copy the first code snippet, go into the WordPress site. I'm editing a page on my WordPress site. I'll go in and I'll add in a new block. I'm looking for the HTML block, add that in, paste, update, and that's pretty much it. That's all it takes to embed the booking system onto a website. I will go in and take a look at the page. And there you go, the booking system already works. Now, as it is, it works and it will be fine, but the user experience is not great because it has a scroll bar and content gets cut off. So to improve it, we need to follow the rest of the steps. In here, step number 5, you'll see will include an additional code snippet. If I copy that and go into my WordPress site, I'll go into the settings of my site under code snippets. Now, this is a custom plugin. So you might already have a custom plugin that does the same thing, but if you don't, simply follow the instructions in the Cademy admin dashboard, and we'll give you an example of a couple of plugins that you can use to do this exact same thing. And what this plugin allows us to do is to put an extra bit of code into the footer of the website. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click onto the header and footer, and then I'll paste in the code that we copied from the Cademy dashboard. So I'll save, and once that's done, if I go back and refresh, now there's no more scroll bars. It will resize the embedded system intelligently, and as we click on courses, for example, and the content changes, it will do that as well. It will even update the URL and will capture additional metadata about where a person is coming from on your website, and we'll be capturing that and passing that down all the way to the booking. So all in all, the setup was easy and the experience is quite seamless for the end customer. If you have any questions at any point, please message our support team. We're always happy to help. Thank you so much. Take care.